The School of Government is the front door to the college campus. It houses the administration offices, faculty offices, and key classrooms, and it was in desperate need of repair.
So the CAP, which stands for Core Academic Project, includes then School of Government, School of Nations, and the library. It's really these three buildings that ultimately were going to be renovated. And so for a while there, it wasn't sure which building would be number one. But one of the primary challenges of the School of Government was the infrastructure piece. So I think from an architecture standpoint, clearly that was the first and best choice to start with. So besides the infrastructure piece, we needed a building that really had a fresh and inspired front door to the campus, which School of Government naturally is. And so this was really an opportunity to develop a building that really expresses the ideals of Principia and really does it justice as far as design and being cutting edge as far as technology, and a building that brings out the best in everyone that's going to be in this building.
In order to achieve our goals, we had to approach the old building in two segments. We dropped the entire north wing. That's the front wing that had all the offices in it. And then we gutted the south wing. That's where the classrooms and the president's office used to be, down to beams and foundation. So the south wing was rebuilt within the frame, and the north wing was built entirely anew.
Oh, the favorite part of the project, I think, is, actually just seeing it start. Then watching the steel come up, I think we all, remember the topping out ceremony that we had, placing that last piece of structural steel, in the canopy. And so, those are important milestones along the way. And then, of course, once you actually can walk through the building and feel like it's actually finishing, and you can see it and walk through it and experience it, that's certainly a highlight.
In its own way, this building is going to become a new center on the campus. From classrooms and offices, to faculty, to areas to meet, to socialize together, to welcome in new friends, future students, and alumni and our old friends.
I think everyone that walks in here, they feel it. They appreciate what's taken place, and they appreciate the spaces that they'll be able to work in.
The construction of this building demonstrates the capacity of Principia to face its challenges for the future.
Having the new front door, a fresh face, this is the entrance to Principia. Principia is here for the long term.
As college president who gets the benefit of this building, I want to express our gratitude for everyone involved. The faculty that gave up their offices for a year and a half, the service staff that helped make that transition out of the building and back into the building, all the contractors involved, the faculty leadership, the administrative leadership, the students who have been with us all throughout this time, the contributors, and of course, parents and alumni. Thank you to all of you for what you've done to make this possible, and inviting you to join us in the possibilities that this building, the campus, and the college has for an exciting future.